Need to create a client report in AgencyAnalytics? Here's how to do it in seconds. Start by heading to the Reports section in the left-hand menu. Click Create Report in the top right corner. First, choose the type of report you want to create. Select Client Report if you're reporting on a single client or account. Or choose Roll-Up Report if you want to combine data from multiple clients, locations, or brands. Next, under Choose Your Client, select the specific client or clients you'd like to report on and click Continue. Then, choose your report layout. Pick Slide Deck if you want to present your report on screen, or Document Report if you're sending it out for independent review. In the next step, choose your starting point. You can start with a blank report to build from scratch, a smart report to automatically pull data from your connected integrations, a template to use a pre-made layout, or clone an existing report to copy one you've already created. Once you've made your choice, give your report a name and click Continue. With the report created, you can now add and configure report sections and widgets as needed, bringing in the exact metrics and visuals you want to showcase. You can send the report manually or schedule it to go out automatically, weekly, monthly, or any custom date you choose. And that's it. You've just created a client report that updates automatically and sends itself on time every time. Need a hand setting up your first one? Reach out to our friendly support team. We're available 24/5 and happy to help.